In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a task into a subtask in Asana. Whether you're managing a complex project or just organizing your to-do list, understanding how to nest tasks effectively can greatly boost your productivity and help streamline your workflow. Asana is a powerful tool for project management, and mastering subtasks within tasks can really help you stay organized. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to Asana's website and log into your account. Once logged in, find your project from your dashboard. This is the starting point where you'll begin interacting with your tasks. Asana's user interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for both new and experienced users to navigate quickly to the relevant sections. Now, within your project, look for a task that you want to turn into a subtask. Click on that task to open its details. When you click on a task, you'll see a variety of options and settings related to it on the right side of your screen. Here, you can see everything from due dates to comments to attachments. But for now, we'll focus on adding subtasks. As you scroll down in the task details pane, you'll notice an option labeled Add Subtask. This is your key to converting tasks into structured subtasks. Click this option to reveal a new field where you can start typing your subtask details. Remember, this functionality allows you to break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable components, so think about how you can divide the task into relevant segments. Once you've opened the subtask field, you can type in the name of your subtask. Hit enter after typing each subtask to add it to the list under the parent task. At this point, you can add descriptions, due dates, and even assign the subtasks to different team members, just like you would with a regular task. This flexibility is particularly useful when handling projects that involve multiple contributors or require detailed task tracking. Finally, don't forget that Asana allows you to customize the subtasks further, such as by setting priorities or adding comments. Taking advantage of these features enables better communication and ensures everyone involved is on the same page. If you need to add more subtasks, just repeat the process by clicking Add Subtask again. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to transform your tasks into subtasks in Asana. By breaking down tasks into smaller units, you can achieve greater clarity and precision in managing your projects. Keep practicing, and soon organizing your tasks this way will become second nature. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy task managing.